Hello, MajidEnglish8 here. Thank you for watching my video clips. It means a lot to me. Before I started, I should just remind you, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please kindly do it because it turns positively on my channel views and it's useful for me. Thank you very much in advance for doing that. And if you have not hit the notification bell, please do it because some of my students called me saying we haven't recently seen any of your video clips, and that's because they have not hit the notification bell. Please do this before I start. Thank you very much for doing that. And today I am with you here with another challenging topic for a majority of my students, as the difference between these two boys, because they are very similarly pronounced and they look kind of very much the same, but you know that they are two different words. The spelling is somehow the same, pronunciation is very much the same, but let's see how they are pronounced in Longman Dictionary. So I will go for affect as a verb. You see that the stress is on the second syllable and it's pronounced
affect,
affect.
affect,
And the British?
affect.
So it is affect. For example, decisions.
Decisions which affect our lives.
Decisions which affect our lives. Okay, this is the verb. Stress on the second syllable. Have it in your mind. And affect.
Effect.
As a noun. Again, the stress is on the second syllable. Just this one is pronounced effect. That one is affect. Very much the same. My parents' divorce.
My parents' divorce had a big effect on me.
Had a big effect on me. So, pronunciation wise, they are very much the same. Both of them have their stress pattern on the second syllable. And here we have affect, which you know it's a verb, meaning to influence something. And the example is the weather can affect your mood. Most of my students make this mistake to put one on in the verb sentence and making it the weather can affect on, which is wrong. The weather can affect your mood. And if you want to say that with the noun, it will be the weather can have effect on, or can have effects on your mood. Okay, that is a noun, that one is a verb. And the second example is her smile affected everyone in the room. Her smile affected everyone in the room. This is the verb, and effect as a noun, which means the result of something, the consequence of something. Example, the effect of the new policy in our company was immediately noticeable. The effect of something, noun. In the medicine had a positive effect on his health. Had a positive effect on his health. Have effect on something when it is a noun. And if you want to say this one with a verb, the medicine affected his life positively. Don't say affected on his life positively. So to summarize, affect most of the time for our purpose in general English is a verb. I know that affect can be a noun, but that is in psychology and that is pronounced affect, which is different, and that's horse of a different color. We don't do anything with that in general English. And effect is mostly a noun. I know this one can also be a verb, but that is a formal verb and is not our business here. Okay, so from now on, use these two boys correctly. Okay, thank you for watching my video clip. I hope you have a good day. Take good care and bye.